This tutorial will teach you how to add a new product to your website, resize the images and put all the information that is relevant to the product on the page. First thing that we need to do is resize our images. So we have some images here using Photoshop Elements. We'll just open that up. We click the Edit button. And what we're going to do here is we're going to process multiple files. We'll go looking for the images, which are here, and we have to select a new folder for them, so we'll call it resized. Click choose. You can keep the files the same file name if you like, otherwise you can rename them and put something after the actual file name, so it might be SML, which would make it the file name with SML at the end of it. We're going to resize the images in pixels to 640 and probably 480. You don't have to actually worry about setting the height because it will do it automatically. You don't have to worry about the resolution, and convert files to a JPEG, that's correct. High quality is fine. And you click OK. And that will process all your images. So now we have our small images here, and if we open one up, it's at the right size. Okay, now that we've got that, we've got some data for a new bike here. So we'll just go into our version of our browser, and we go into our admin, and we go, just resize that, into components, easy autos, and you'll be prompted by this screen. Now the first thing that you need to do prior to putting any of your products in is set up your engine sizes. So the first thing that we need to do is just look at this text. It's 400cc, so we'll just go new. We'll add 400cc. You got to mention that it's published and click submit. The next thing that you do, you need to select the models. We've got Honda set up already. This is a Ducati, so we'll go new. Vehicle, actually that's the model, sorry. We have to do the make first. So we go into our makes and go here, click new, and go Ducati. Let's publish it, submit. Now you've got an extra make. Now you've got to do the models. This is a Monster. So we'll go new. So we select the make, which is the Ducati, and Monster. Make sure it's published and click submit. Now that you've got the engine, make and model set up, you don't have to worry about the categories because that's just all set to used bikes. Now we're actually going to add the listing. So we click new. And the reason we had to set those things back, the make, model and whatnot, is because they're in drop downs here. So the manufacturing year is 2003. Registration. VIN. It's always going to be used bikes. The make was the Ducati Monster. Engine size was 400cc. You can go through and set these other things, but you don't really need to set many of them. Once you've done the first page, you've got 4 steps to go through, so click step 2. The dealer will always be, in this case Kim, the one that we've already set up. Condition is used, availability, available, the vehicle price, show price, yes. This is the headline, so I'm just going to write that and just put that in the alias as well. You can have a small and a large description. We'll just put the same thing in for both. We go to step 3 where we actually choose our images. You can upload a YouTube video clip here, a PDF or other things like that, but we'll just do images for this purpose. So we just click choose file, we go to our resized images and just double click the next one, go to the next image. You can do up to 24 images, might be a little bit slow doing all 24, but you can do it. And once you've done that, go to the last step, vehicle, publish the vehicle listing, yes. Make it featured. If we make it featured, it will appear on the right hand side here and have the featured banner on it. If not, it won't have that. It won't be there. We'll make it featured in this case. You can put some SEO tags in to make it relevant to Google engines. Again, a description would just be a description of the product. Keywords, just single words or phrases separated by a comma. The description should be no more than about 25 words, keywords roughly about 20. Once you've done all that, click submit. And your product information is here. And if we reset our page, just refresh it, and it will be here. One thing I did forget is in the actual product, instead of putting a $sign at the start there, just save that. So we just need to make sure it doesn't have a $sign at the start of it when we're actually entering it. Just put 6999 and it will appear correctly. Once you've clicked that, click read more, and there's the products with all the pictures. You've got the details and the description, and that's it, and it automatically appears there for you. That's it.